93% of American children participate in trick-or-treating, and half of them claim chocolate is their ultimate favorite treat. This makes M&M's the perfect pick for Halloween. These iconic, colorful candies have delighted generations for decades. But have you ever wondered why so many kids are absolutely crazy about them? Let's find out in this video. M&M's, named after creators Forrest Mars and Bruce Murray, debuted in 1941 and quickly became a wartime staple. During World War II, they were sold exclusively to the US military, thanks to their hard sugar shell, which prevented melting in warm climates. Packaged in cardboard tubes, the Newark factory produced 200,000 pounds weekly, with ads proudly declaring them 100% at war. After the war ended in 1945, M&M's returned to the public, beloved by soldiers who had enjoyed them during service. In 1948, the iconic bag replaced the original tube, paving the way for the candy's enduring. M&M's owe their irresistible taste to a carefully crafted combination of ingredients. At their core, these iconic candies are made of chocolate, specially formulated to achieve the perfect texture and flavor. This chocolate blends cocoa solids, cocoa butter, and milk solids, creating a rich, creamy, and satisfying taste. The sweetness of M&M's comes from a mix of granulated sugar and corn syrup. Granulated sugar provides the classic sweetness we all know and love, while corn syrup adds a soft, chewy consistency. Together, these elements make M&M's a timeless favorite enjoyed by candy lovers worldwide. Each M&M undergoes a meticulous coloring process to achieve its signature bright hues. Modern spray machines evenly coat the candies as they roll along conveyor belts, ensuring a uniform application of food coloring. These vibrant colors are eye-catching and comply with strict FDA food safety standards. Once coated, the candies are polished in a finishing process that gives them their smooth, glossy surface. This extra layer of polish enhances their appearance and provides a protective coating, ensuring M&M's look perfect when they reach consumers. M&M's are manufactured in a large factory where every step of the process is carefully controlled and monitored. The first step in the manufacturing process is to form the chocolate centers. These centers are formed into small spheres by pouring liquid chocolate into small molds, then rotating the molds to ensure the chocolate is evenly distributed. Once the chocolate has set, the molds are opened and the chocolate centers are removed. Next comes the coating process, where the M&M's signature candy coating is created. This coating is made from a mixture of sugar, corn syrup, and food coloring, which is heated and then sprayed onto the chocolate centers. The candies are then polished in a rotating drum, creating the M&M's signature shine. Once the coating process is complete, the candies are sorted by color and sent down the packaging line. This process is highly automated, with robots and machines doing most of the work of conveyor belt sorting machines and robots working together seamlessly to create the perfect candy. For instance, a machine uses sensors and cameras to identify the different colors and sorts them into separate bins, ensuring each package has an ideal mix of colors. In this stage, each candy is weighed to ensure the exact amount needed is placed in each bag. This precision is essential to ensure the bags meet the correct weight and size specifications, creating consistency across all packages. For regular M&M's, the bags are filled with about 30% brown, 20% red, 10% green, 10% orange, and 10% blue candies. Robots and machines fill bags and boxes with M&M's, seal them shut, and move them down the line for labeling and sharp shipment. This high level of automation allows the factory to produce large quantities of M&M's efficiently. Efficiency is key in the production line. Every aspect is designed to minimize waste and maximize output. The factory operates on a massive scale, producing approximately 2 billion M&Ms every 8 hours. This high volume is necessary to keep up with demand, delivering millions of candies to consumers worldwide. The original M&M factory was located in Newark, New Jersey, but over 50 years ago, the company decided to move its operations to Hackettstown, New Jersey. This move was driven by the need for more space to expand the production capacity and keep up with the brand's growing popularity. Today, it remains a central hub for the manufacturing and packaging of M&Ms, ensuring that the beloved candy reaches millions of consumers globally and maintaining the high quality and consistency for which the brand is known. Over the years, the company has introduced a variety of new flavors in addition to the classic milk chocolate M&Ms. Now, M&Ms come in a wide range of flavors including peanut butter, almond, hazelnut spread, and caramel. These new varieties have become a hit with candy lovers, helping to keep the brand fresh and exciting. Each flavor offers its own unique texture and taste, from the crunchiness of the crispy variety to the creaminess of the peanut butter variety, providing something for everyone. M&Ms have also become an iconic part of popular culture, widely shared at parties and events, with their bright colors and fun shape making them beloved by both kids and adults alike. Thank you for joining us in discovering the fascinating story of M&Ms, a candy that is not only a favorite of children, but also a symbol associated with many generations. If you have any favorite M&M flavors or memories, we'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more sweet adventures.